What is going on, you guys? We are currently filming some Bible verses. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, we've been doing a lot of religious-based stuff there, a lot of motorcycle stuff, kind of mixing the two. So I'm kind of starting to find my niche between like three of my interests, three of my hobbies. You know, lifting, my faith, and my motorcycle stuff. And a lot of people are really liking it, so I'm really excited about that. With that being said, I'm gonna read you guys a little Bible verse, and then we will see where we go from there. I might just vlog for a little bit leading up to the workout, and then we'll go ahead and hit arms later with my brother. So let's go ahead and read you guys today's Bible verse. All right, so today's Bible verse is Psalms 46:1. It says, "God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble." I always say, Blaine, I don't know about praying for my workouts and things like that. And I understand what you're saying. Like, you don't think that you should be praying about working out and like something so small in your life, but you got to understand God is with you through any adversity, whether it's big or small. And you got to also understand that working out is self-improvement. So if it means that you pray, you know, to get healthier and to maybe hit a new max or something like that, even though God doesn't care about helping you hit your new max, he cares about making you a better person and spreading his love. So if you being a healthier person means that you can do that, then he will help you. At least that's my point of view. So I wouldn't get upset or feel weird about praying about, you know, things within the gym or with your health. All right, so as we were filming the Bible verse videos, my battery died. I didn't know my key was turned over. So we're gonna jump it with my brother's bike. But before that, let's show you my brother's bike. It's pretty dope. He just bought it. It's a mid-2000s V-Star. It might be a 2007 maybe. Not necessarily my style, but it is sharp, man. We weren't specifically looking for another V-Star, but you know how the algorithm is. Once you buy one thing, that's all they give you. So this thing popped up and it was a no-brainer for the price that we got it for. Beautiful upholstery on the seat, very comfortable. And then obviously just blacked out motor, got all the red accents, some nice exhausts on here. Then this pointed fender was pretty cool. And then this pointed fender is pretty cool. Overall, just an awesome bike. The thing I like, which we're working on right now, is the double headlight. I think that looks really gnarly. And then also these handlebars are very high. They fit well with the bike. You can see, very glossy and shiny and nice, and mine is a little different style, more rat rod, rebellious, I guess you could say. Where's move? Let it sit for a minute. Let it sit for a minute. All right, so I took it out for a ride. As you saw, the pipe came off. So I think it was from my brother and I was kind of showing him some stuff in the yard on our bikes. And our yard's very bumpy. So I think I just shook the bolts out and they fell out when I was riding. So thankfully, we've gotten the bolts before at Menards. They hold the same bolt there. So we took one out of the front exhaust here, and we'll go ahead and get new ones, which isn't too crazy of a deal. It was just kind of sketchy. I had to ride with my foot basically holding up the pipe. I wasn't able to use the rear brake, so it was kind of sketchy, but oh well. You live and you learn. I got to go do some editing, and then we're going to go to the gym. All right, you guys. So it's actually the next day. We ended up not having time to work out, so we're just gonna go ahead and work out today. And today's actually Easter, so happy Easter to you guys if you're watching this. You're probably watching it a couple days from now. But anyway, before we go work out, we have to review something we got in the mail. It's from Psycho Pharma. It's a company that has reached out to me. Not officially declared as one of my sponsors just yet, but just wanted me to review some of their products, see how I like it. And I think right now we're going in between them and Bucked Up. So we'll see who we're gonna pick. But anyway, let's go ahead and review. They sent some cool stuff, so let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, so here's kind of what the box consists of. Looks like we got a shaker, shirts, and then some subs. First off, dope little hat. Cool stuff. Here we got Infinite Brain. It says brain health, alertness, concentration, supports cognitive energy. So that's pretty cool. What's funny is I don't really use supplements besides creatine and protein like periodically. So like all of this like really detailed like pump stuff, fancy pre-workouts, things like that, I don't ever really use because they're honestly too expensive for me to even like invest in. So having someone send this stuff to me actually means a lot. Next we have Edge of Insanity. That's pretty cool. It says exploding muscle pumps, Zen energy, razor focus, and psycho endurance. So that's what that looks like. Their graphics are pretty dope. This one is blue lemonade, so that should taste really good. We'll go ahead and try these out in a second. Then they sent this cool little shaker. Pretty good quality. Like I said, the graphics, I really like their color scheme and stuff. It's pretty dope. So we'll use that. Then we got 2 shirts in here, I think. Yeah. I asked for the 2X because we like our stuff large. Or no, this is just an extra large. Anyway, oversized tee. Pretty dope. Maybe we'll wear that today. I don't know. Another one. Same deal, different graphic. Cool stuff. So let's go ahead and try these supplements out. All right, so we got our shaker filled up. I don't know if you guys saw this, but instead of the traditional like mixer, it's kind of like attached to the like top of the bottle, which is kind of dope. But we got another glass of water here to try the other thing. All right, so this has 350 milligrams of caffeine. So obviously be careful if you're sensitive to caffeine. And then this is the Infinite Brain. So let's go ahead and try the pre-workout first. It's pretty good. Blue lemonade. Yeah, that's good. Usually some pre-workouts are super, super bitter. So this isn't like super shocking or bitter. Like I could honestly probably dry scoop this and be fine. Maybe not bitter, but more sour. All right, let's try the Focus one, Infinite Brain. Now this one for sure has more of a smell. Yeah, that's good. Trying to think how I would describe it. It's like pineapple and orange juice mixed. What kind of flavor is it? Mozart's Passion Mango. So yeah, it's like mango. So really good. We're gonna slam these down. Great products. Like I said, not for sure if we're gonna go with these guys yet, but I appreciate you guys sending me stuff out. And I think you can use code Riley at checkout to get a discount for your products. So see you guys. All right, people. So we have made it to the gym. Blacked out today, but we're gonna start with some straight bar, tricep push downs. Kind of use this as not only a warm-up set, but just our first, working sets for triceps. We're gonna go ahead and warm up, and then we'll get into it. But I always like to do more tris than biceps, especially now that I'm trying to grow my arms more, grow my triceps more. So doing a couple triceps before we start our biceps is usually what I advise, just so we kind of get those out of the way. So we'll do these probably, and then move on to like a superset of bi and tri. So I just try to get a couple more sets in of triceps than I do biceps. All right, so we're gonna do one more here, and then we're gonna do some single arms. Single arm, just cable kickbacks. Come on, two more. So on these, we're gonna really focus on that. Squeeze hard down and back, like you can see he's doing there. Really hard squeeze, turn that wrist back and out. So I think it's good sometimes to go like pretty decently heavy, like you saw the intensity on that last set, and then kind of like finish with like something a little lighter, really focus on squeezing. So kind of like a drop set sort of thing. I'm actually gonna throw a grip on just to kind of help wrap around this thing. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, so you guys saw these in the last video, if you watched the last video, but up against the lat pull down machine, got our arms back against the pad. We're just gonna go single arm, boom, boom. We got 55, so we wanna go pretty heavy. Okay, so we're gonna superset those with just some push downs. Come on. Do it. 5 more. All right, so now we're gonna superset some skull crushers with just some basic cable curls. Now we might switch up grips here and there on the cable curls, but for the most part, I think we got a straight bar right now. Really tight grip, boom, right there. Ooh, that feels sick. All right, you guys, so that's the arm day. We're gonna go ahead and pose down. Got a little filmer here, so it's a little different than usual. All right, gonna wrap up that workout. We didn't do anything insane. I think the most important part was we just superset a lot. So just try to keep the blood in the arms as much as we can and then really fill them up with blood. So hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna be doing more motorcycle and faith-based stuff, kind of how we did today. So we'll see you guys next time. Remember too, Psycho Supplements, you can get a discount if you use code Riley. See you guys.